G'day guys, it's Ryan again, and in this video I'm going to go over on how to set up a campaign. Okay, so I'm going to go from start to finish, and we've got a PDF guide here that's done up for you, so I'm going to be referring back and forth to this to show you exactly what to do. Okay, so let's jump in. Okay, so we're back into here, into the Teespring dashboard. Now I've already gone through these first couple of steps in the last video on how to change your password. Again, they're encrypted, so we don't know what they are. Just email support and we'll get it fixed up for you. We're going to get you another one emailed out to you. Okay, so first of all, let's go to the settings setup in the Teespring dashboard. Sorry, the Teespring dashboard. And into here. Okay, now you'll see a couple of things here. This is autoresponder integration, so this is for building a list. It's very easy to get your authorization codes. If you click on this button here for aWeber, you'll be taken to the aWeber login screen. You just log in there and then you get your authorization code, come back and paste it in here. Same with getResponse API key and MailChimp. I'm using SendGrid, which is a little bit different. So you have to put your email address or your username and your password so that we can help work with the SendGrid. So Facebook conversion pixels. Now, if you send your conversion pixel from Facebook over to Teespring, email them the Facebook. You can't use the one in here in Teespring. So what we've done is for split testing, and we'll email our pixel, which I'll go through in a further video. But for now, we'll put our Facebook conversion pixel in here so that we can have stats on both. We can check back at Facebook and see conversions there, and we can check here as well. Okay, so just close this. So what we'll do is, to get your tracking pixel from Facebook, come over into your ads setup, into your ads manager, go to conversion tracking, and then just create pixel. And we'll write, I'm doing a Pitbull page demonstration, so we'll put Pitbull pixel, create pixel. Oops, forgot to choose a category. We want checkouts, create pixel. We don't need this code, so just close that. Okay, so we just need this ID here. Whoops. So we'll copy this, and then we'll come back to our dashboard and we'll paste that code into here. Okay, and we'll hit save. Okay, so we'll come back to the PDF. Okay, so I've gone through all of this, how to get the Facebook tracking pixel, how to authorize the Teespring integrations for autoresponders. Now what we want to do is create a Teespring campaign. So use a temporary description, get the campaign URL. Okay, so you'll see that I've made a Pitbull campaign here, and this is for, I'm going to actually run this campaign. It's just for demo as well, so I'll put a case study in here as well when we're finished. So I've just put my title, small description. Well, I've got my link pasted in here, so I'll show you what I mean in a second. That's why it's showing up like that for the moment. Okay, so what we want to do is the URL. Okay, so here's the actual page that I've done. Okay, so we grab the URL for the Teespring campaign, copy that, come back to the dashboard. Whoops. Okay, so you'll see that that's the URL there. When we edit the campaign, you'll see we put the Teespring URL in. It'll ask you for it, and you just put it in there. Okay, so if I come back into new campaign, I'll show you what I mean. Choose the campaign, put the Teespring URL in, choose your autoresponder. So we'll be using SendGrid. The list name. So my list name is Pitbulls. Okay. Well, I've already got this set up in the other campaign, but this is how you do it, and then you'll hit create. Okay, so come back into my campaign. Okay, so inside ProfitSpring, go to the new campaign and complete the details. Choose a name that you can later recognize. Paste the URL of the Teespring campaign. Choose your autoresponder, all what we just did, and then hit save. And then you'll find in your campaigns you'll have this campaign here. Okay, so let's just hit edit. Now you see I still have the name here, the Teespring URL, what autoresponder I'm using, my list name, and here is all the content for the page. So let me explain what exactly we do here. Under the content, enter the text for your description. So that's your description that is in here. Okay, that usually shows up in your description for your Teespring campaigns. Alright, now what we want to do is you can use just normal text, and we can wrap tags around it. So we can have bold, we only have a couple at the moment, which is bold, italic, we have line breaks, and we also have image src, so that's for hosting our images. You have to host them on another platform, so if you want to host it imager.com, that's for free. I've actually hosted on S3, so I'll show you what we do there. Okay, so here's the links that I've just grabbed. I've posted up on Amazon. Okay, as you can see, and what we want to do is I've just moved them over to another screen so that you can see what I'm doing. Come back to the dashboard, and you'll see I've wrapped image tags around the images that I want to show. Okay, so that's going to make the description bar look like this, because they're the images that I've got hosted, and that's what we can put up. So we can put up anything that we want in here, and we can have different pages, split test them. We can also schedule. So I'm going to go through that separately in the next videos, but this is basically just how to set up your campaign. So we can also put in here, so say I wanted a line break between here and here. I'll just come in and, whoops, I'll use the tags BR, so BR, and then I'll put some text in here. Alright, so oops, let's put a couple of, we can put bold tags around that. So here are your bold tags to make the text bold. It's just a B, so come back into here, whoop, into the dashboard, let's make it bold. And then we'll close it. Okay, so that'll make it bold. Now I'll just press save. Oh, it's come up straight away. So look, check out how great these t-shirts look. Okay, so that's basically how you set up your first campaign. Always hit save down the bottom as well. Or any text you want to put into here is just written straight in here with bold tags around it or italic tags around it. Any images that you want that you've got hosted at another place like imager.com, then just grab the URL from like Amazon and put them in here. Now the next thing to do is the software automatically resizes all images to 385 pixels, so you can see that here. The next thing is choose a starting date and a time, preferably sometime in the past. Choose an end time, preferably sometime after the Teespring campaign is actually over. Click create. Okay, so that's the start time of the campaign and the end time. I've got it set for the 17th because that's when the campaign is ending. So, and I started it a couple of days ago. I haven't sent any traffic to this yet. I'm just about to. I don't have any stats on this yet, but I will in the next day or two. So, okay, so from here, sorry, we'll go back to here. You should now see a list of all your campaigns under the campaign tab, including the campaign you just created. Okay, so that's back in our dashboard. Go back into campaigns, and you'll see here our campaigns. So what we want to do is we want to grab this code here, this embedding code, copy it, come back into Teespring, and hit this image button here, insert that into here, like so, and then hit insert image. I'm not going to hit insert image because I've already done it and I've already got it going. So insert image, and then that will be put into here, so it will look like this. Okay, so and you saw before I just put this, check out how great these shirts look. That's how the text goes in. So you can see how cool this is. We can split test all this, copy. We can also use any images we want. So I'll go into further details on some techniques and everything in the further videos, but this is just how to create your basic campaign. So you run through your Teespring campaign, you set it up as usual, just use a demo description for now, and like I said, go back into our dashboard, Profit Spring dashboard, and set up all the campaign through here like I've just done. And like I said, you can come back and forth with the videos, or you can come back into this PDF that we have created as well. I'll just go through the last little bit here. Click on the embedding code, which we've just done. It will automatically get selected. Copy that into your Teespring campaign, edit it, delete the placeholder description, click on insert image symbol, and paste. That's what we've just done through here. Okay, so come back into here. Wait 5 or 10 minutes until the description gets updated by Teespring. You should now see the content entered in Profit Spring as a description of your campaign. You can always edit your campaign by going to My Campaigns and clicking Edit next to the campaign name. The changes get reflected to Teespring instantly. So as you'll see, I just did that and it got updated. So let's just do it again. So I'll show you how to edit the campaign now. We've created it, and let's edit it. Alright, scroll down to our content. Put another line break in. And then we'll put, we'll use italic. So that's the tags here. Okay, you can just cut them. Whoops. You can just cut them. And then come back into the dashboard and paste them. And then come in the middle between them and say, okay. So we come down and hit save. And then we'll come back to Teespring, our Teespring campaign, the front end of it. We'll just let this refresh. There we go. Okay, now we'll come over to here and we'll reload our page. Let me go back to the dashboard and edit this. Sorry guys, it's because I've got this bottom one here. So let me delete that. Save. Okay, come back to here, reload. Now you'll see, watch this, edit become an instant change. Alright, so, and we've got a little line break in between it. So that's how we do it. That might look a little bit ugly here. So come back to the dashboard, let's edit. Let's go between here, put a line break, whoops, and hit save. Reload our page. Okay, now you see I put a little line break in between here. That looks a little bit better. Okay guys, so that's how you create your campaigns, and you use your dashboard to edit your campaigns. That's how you get your conversion tracking pixel from Facebook. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to start scheduling so that we can use different copy for our campaigns, so we can start adding a little scarcity to the sales. Alright guys, see you in the next video.